Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Volume Vegan Cooking channel. Today I just have this week's grocery haul just so you can have a look and see what we're buying. I kept it kind of light this week. I have some leftovers that carried over from last week, and I have a plan to do some Thanksgiving recipes this week that I want to get out to you as early as possible for ideas that you can use to keep things light while delicious for the Thanksgiving holiday here in the US. So let's get to it. Just have a look and see what I bought. So the very first stop that I made was at Walmart, and I don't normally shop at Walmart for groceries. I did it because of those vanilla wafers that you see in the back. I'm not going to spoil anything, but I was looking for vegan, gluten-free vanilla wafers, and I just decided to look it up on Amazon just to see, what I could find. And Amazon gave me this brand as an idea. So I saw that they were in stock at my local Walmart when I looked them up, and I went over there to get them. And I decided to see if I could get some other things that were on my list while I was there. So that's what we've done here. We're going to start out with this G. Hughes sugar-free ketchup. I actually don't use a lot of ketchup, and I don't usually buy it. So I have used the G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauces, and they are excellent. So I'm really looking forward to giving this a try. Kind of high in sodium. It's ketchup, though. I've tried salt-free ketchups before, and they're pretty terrible. So I don't really mind a little salt. Don't use a lot. Got a little Hickory liquid smoke here. That's a vegan trick to getting smoke into things without putting meat into them. I just got some Dijon mustard for one of my recipes I'm going to show you later in the week. Got some concentrated lemon juice. I know that fresh is better and it tastes better and everything else, but I'm a mother and I'm busy. And I don't like to have to do something to every single thing, every single element of my recipe. I like for things to be quick. Got some coconut cream that I'm going to be using in a banana pudding recipe. And that's why I got these vanilla wafers. I thought I was so happy that I just grabbed them up, and then as you can see right here, they have egg whites in them. So I have to take those back. And I'm going to insert a picture of it right now, but I have found a substitute that I have ordered, and it's on its way, and I'm very excited, called Home Free Vanilla Mini Cookies. And these are vegan and gluten-free, so we should be good to go. See what else we have here. I got some Panko breadcrumbs. They're free from everything. They're vegan-friendly and gluten-free. I'm going to be using those in a broccoli casserole that I'm going to show you later this week. Always with the nutritional yeast, you guys. Cheesy flavor, please. I used to own a vegan cheese company. I have to make cheese. This is for my son. I always get him yogurts and granola. He likes granola. Birthday cake granola, just for a treat. It is vegan. A little bit of sugar in there. I'm not going to lie and say I didn't taste it. It's amazing. I'm not going to lie. So, pretty good. Pretty good. For a third of a cup, it's really not a bad little snack. Some yogurt and a little birthday cake granola. He does a little fruit in it too, either a strawberry or a blueberry or something. And he likes the sparkling waters. I don't do a lot of them. This is bubbly. He usually does AHA. But he wanted to try this new flavor, this passion fruit. Love trying the new flavors. Then we've got a few things here. A different coconut water. When I turn it around, you're going to see that the calories are a little bit different from the last brand that we checked. They just have the serving sizes distributed a little bit differently, more servings in this container. But yeah, it's the same thing. I'm going to mix it with my Simply Light lemonade. They didn't have the pink lemonade at the Walmart. I don't know why. I prefer to get the pink. Maybe just being pink makes me feel like it tastes better, but they're both delicious. I love to get these for my kid. Minute Maid, zero sugar. This is the mango one. I got him a fruit punch last week. Yeah, an excellent source of vitamin C. And they didn't have my go-to milk at the Walmart, but I got this unsweetened organic coconut milk by So Delicious. Great, low calorie. It's going to work great this week, especially because I'm going to make banana pudding, you guys. Banana pudding. Oh my gosh. Keep a lookout for that one. Got another box to buy because they didn't have vitamin water. What is going on? Brasilia blueberry this time. It's yummy. I like it better than the cherry one, being honest. But check this out. I'm not very sensitive to caffeine, so I guess I just didn't notice it. There's enough of 55 milligrams per bottle, like a cup of green tea. Don't drink that too late now. Yeah, keep that in mind if you're a coffee drinker like me. My kid wanted a treat. I hate licorice. He loves black licorice. He's already devoured half of this bag. This is why we got to keep the snacks light, you guys. Because he'll just be like, serving size, what is that? And he'll just take it down. So, yeah. All right, freezer stuff. I got this very exciting giant bag of frozen broccoli. I know that's what you want to hear about, is this freezer broccoli. No? Is that not what you wanted to hear? Oh, yeah, I got these little mochis, oat milk frozen desserts in strawberry. Now, I got to tell you that I'm not really a mochi person, if I'm being real. It's a chewy, like, rice dough on the outside of it, and that texture I don't necessarily like. In this way, though, I definitely do. I don't usually do a lot of rice, but these are only 100 calories a piece, and honestly, they're frozen, so I don't know. My teeth are a little sensitive. I'm getting older, I don't know, but trying to make my way through that chewy dough and then into the strawberry oat milk ice cream that's in the middle, it feels like it's much more of a snack than it is. It took me, I had to work with it a little bit. So they're delicious. The ice cream in the middle, the oat milk ice cream, kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. One of my very favorite treats was one of those strawberry shortcake ice cream bars with the crumbles on the outside, that artificial strawberry flavor. I love that, right? It's like so... It's just so reminiscent of my childhood. I'm nostalgic for that. So I love that, and I appreciated that this treat kind of brought that back for me. I tried a piece of it when we got it, and then my kid tore through like 4 pieces of it. There's 6 pieces in the box. So that was that afternoon. And then by the evening time, I noticed that there was only 1 piece left. I just treated myself to the other piece. I knew I wasn't going to get it. I wasn't going to be able to have another one if I didn't just go for it. So I went for it. And you should too. They have them in chocolate and Neapolitan and a salted caramel as well. I can't wait to try them all. And now it's the Veggie Haul. It's Thanksgiving early for us this week, so I definitely had to get some things. Onions. I gotta get them green onions. You know me and these green onions. I'm gonna put them on everything. You guys are gonna get sick of that. You're gonna be like, look, lady, I don't like this much onion in my life. That's okay. Leave them off. I put them on almost everything. So yeah. I really regret this purchase. I bought these mushrooms and they were moldy on the inside. So thanks, Walmart. Then we've got this zucchini. Yeah, standard zucchini. Got some bell pepper. Petite carrots. Yes. Gonna roast those. Got a couple of heads of cauliflower. You're gonna see what I do with that. Oh, look what was hiding back there. Got my kid a couple of these. I'm gluten-free, so I don't really mess with graham crackers. I don't like white chocolate either, but we do love key lime. We are key lime people, and my kid loved these. Kind of high for a snack. I wouldn't necessarily want to have that 190, but this is for a teenager. Key lime pie with a little graham cracker crumbles. Coconut milk by So Delicious. It is delicious, for real. Got some tissues in the back. My kid has a cold this week. I think he might have given it to me, so if I sound a little stuffy in my last few videos, I do apologize. Got some proteins. I just got 1 block of tofu because I got so much last week, and then I got a lot of the tempeh smoky bacon pieces because I love them. And because my kid being home sick a little bit this week, he wants to have breakfast with mom. He sleeps in a little bit late. And so yeah, we're having some this week. And oh yeah, you know I got into that Halo top again this week. They were on sale at Kroger. I've moved to Kroger. Have I mentioned that yet? I did. I moved to Kroger, as you might have noticed in that Simple Truth tofu. I had to go get all the things that Walmart didn't have. So they were on sale at Kroger, these Halo tops. I'm weak for them. I described that for you already. This time we decided to try the sea salt caramel and the chocolate almond crunch. I'm going to wipe off the frost so that you can see the name. I also got this True Whip. It's vegan. It's, no high fructose corn syrup and all of the good things, the GMOs, the lack of GMOs. Reasonably low calories, but this is for Thanksgiving. This is why we eat low calorie all the time, so that we can splurge a little bit, right? Then we've got, these are kind of guilty pleasures. I keep those in the freezer, little protein bombs for when we don't have time to eat, but we are hungry. Gluten-free, non-dairy Amy's Burritos. They're 300 calories, very high in sodium. I don't recommend eating them all the time, but they're definitely something, in my opinion, I would rather have them as a protein serving than a protein bar, because protein bars are like candy bars, essentially. This is my favorite gluten-free bread. Bee-free. I showed it to you when I was showing you a picture in the pesto video that I just posted. Then I had a piece of toast on my plate, and I told you that I had this seedy, wonderful bread that I really, really like. This is it. This is bee-free. A slice is 100 calories, and it's, for me, life without any bread ever is kind of misery. Like, I don't need to eat bread all the time, but sometimes I want a slice of bread with my scramble, or a piece of peanut butter toast or something, and that makes it okay. Then we've got some cold medicine, because as I described, I have a sick child, well, a sick 18-year-old at home, and it's just a cold. Don't worry too much, but yeah, it's cold season. Got some bananas back there for that banana pudding I might have teased earlier. Got some garlic tahini. I always buy it. This is like the garlic round here. I have some actual garlic also. And then you always got to look for these stickers. As you can see, this tree line dairy-free cheese, $7.49. I got it on sale for $3.79. It's herb garlic. It's delicious. It's actually not a bad little snack. 2 tablespoons for 90 calories. It's delicious. A lot of nutritious ingredients in that. Not bad at all. And I got these cauliflower crackers that I just kind of have to dip in there. They're smaller than they look on the box, but they're really, really good. I love that whole from the ground up brand. All of the cauliflower stuff. 50 crackers for 100 calories, you guys. I mean, I'm not going to eat anywhere near 50 crackers, but I am going to enjoy having those to put in that cheese. Thank you so much again for watching another one of my grocery hauls. I hope it kind of inspires you for, things to look out for when you go to the grocery store. Some ideas, if you're not necessarily vegan, but you're just wanting to go a little bit more plant-based, or you are going vegan and you are intimidated and you don't know what to buy, there's a lot of stuff to buy. And it doesn't necessarily have to be very high calorie or full of junk. And that's what I'm here to show you. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, if you want to inspire other people to shop a little bit healthier, please like and share the video, comment below if you feel so inspired. And please subscribe to my channel while you're here. Turn on those notifications so you can always check out my grocery hauls and, of course, all of my cooking videos, my recipes that I'm posting several times a week. So definitely stick around, because I'm about to post some amazing Thanksgiving recipes next week, just in time for you to plan your shopping and your meals. As always, thank you so much. Have a great week, and I'll be back very, very soon with another great cooking video. Bye-bye.